I just finished installing my tow hitch for my Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. It's a 2500 model Sprinter, and that's the company. Now when you install this, it's a good idea to get two people because you have to put this in square up straight. If not, it won't fit between the two support, I guess they call them beams. Let me show you underneath a couple of issues that I came across. Now, the bolts they give you are long enough, but the threads on those bolts are not enough. Because when you start tightening the bolts with the nuts, it bottoms out. So you have to put some kind of spacer like I did, right? That's what I mean. It just runs out of thread. So you have to put a spacer. That's number one issue. The other issue is this right here. It's supposed to be a hole here, which there is not. So you're gonna have to drill a hole so you can get that bolt in there. And of course you gotta fish the piece that they give you from here all the way to here, which is the backing plate, which has the bolt comes in the other way, comes down, and then you have to tighten the nut on it. All right, they don't tell you that. The other thing is, the ones that go here, which are these, see that's that plate that goes up in there. You gotta fish it in there. This nut here is a different size nut than the one over there. Now, if you look at it, compare it side by side, they look identical. But try them first, because this one's a little bit bigger, slightly bigger than that one. And if you use it on that nut, it's gonna wobble. It won't tighten fully. You'll feel it. So make sure you try all the nuts before you throw them on, because two of them are different. They're made for these. The one on this side and one on the other side. All right, I hope this helps you out when you install yours. I'm gonna have to pre-drill those holes and do that afterwards. All right, thanks for watching.